Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and I am excited to be here today to talk to you about the automatic sugarcane farms in Minecraft. In this presentation, we'll be discussing what an automatic sugarcane farm is, the materials needed to build one, how to build it step by step, troubleshooting some common issues, and sharing some tips and tricks along the way. By the end of the presentation, you'll have all of the knowledge you'll need to build your very own automatic sugarcane farm. So what is an automatic sugarcane farm? An automatic sugarcane farm is a machine that automatically harvests and replants sugarcane crops in Minecraft. It's very useful because it saves time and effort for players who want to collect large amounts of sugarcane for crafting and trading. The farm works by using water to push mature sugar into a collection area, where it can be easily harvested. The machine then automatically replants new sugarcane in the empty spaces, making it a self-sustaining system. To build a sugarcane farm, you'll need a few key materials. These include hoppers, which are used to collect sugarcane and transport it to a chest, pistons, which are used to push the sugarcane into a place for harvesting, redstone, which is used to power the pistons and hoppers, glass, so you can see the magic happen inside, observers. These are used to detect the growth stage of the sugarcane. Dirt or sand blocks can be used as a base for the sugarcane to grow on. And finally, a water bucket, which is used to create the water flow that pushes the sugarcane. First thing you're going to want to do is you want to choose a location. So you want to select a suitable location for your sugarcane farm. It should be near a water source so that way the sugarcane can grow correctly on it. And you'll want a relatively flat area to work with. Next step is you want to build a platform. Create a platform using your building blocks. Typically a solid platform like stone or wood, where you'll place your sugarcane. This is where the dirt or sand blocks will go. Step 3 is to create some water channels. Dig a trench around the platform, 1 block away from the edge. This will be where you place your water to irrigate your sugarcane. Ensure the water flows toward a collection point. Step 5 is you want to plant the sugarcane. On the platform, plant your sugarcane on the hydrated dirt or sand blocks. Ensure you leave enough space for the sugarcane to grow to full height, usually 3 blocks tall. You can plant sugarcane in rows or a grid pattern. Here's the collection point. I forgot to mention that earlier. Next thing you want to do is you want to build a redstone circuit. Underneath the platform, you want to place hoppers to collect the sugarcane drops. Connect these hoppers to a chest where the items will be stored. Now it's time to create the redstone circuit that will trigger the harvesting. Here's also part 2 of the redstone circuit. You can see the observers are facing with the eyes toward the sugarcane. An automatic sugarcane farm can be pretty tricky, so here's some troubleshooting tips that may help you out. One common issue that may arise when building an automatic sugarcane farm is the clogging of hoppers. This can happen if the farm is not designed properly or if it is overloaded with too much sugarcane. To fix the issue, simply add more hoppers to the system and ensure that they are properly connected. Either that or add more chests. Another issue that may arise is the breakage of redstone circuits. This can happen if the circuit is not properly installed or if there's too much interference with other redstone devices. To fix the issue, make sure that all circuits are properly installed and that there is enough space between them to prevent interference. And lastly, a very common issue is the observer placement. Ensure that the side of the observer that looks like a face is facing towards the sugarcane. Tips and tricks. Redstone clocks. A helpful trick is to use redstone clocks to automate the harvesting process. By setting up a clock to activate pistons at specific intervals, you can ensure that your sugarcane is harvested efficiently and without any manual labor. In conclusion, we learned about the benefits of building an automatic sugarcane farm. With this farm, you can save time and resources while increasing your sugarcane yield. Remember to gather all the necessary materials before starting. Follow the step-by-step instructions carefully and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. And don't forget to use your tips and tricks to make the process even smoother. I hope you feel inspired to try building your own sugarcane farm. It's a fun and rewarding project that can improve your Minecraft farming efficiency. Thank you for joining me today.